Alright, welcome back. So in a previous video we talked about finding an absolute value of a number. In this video we're going to talk about finding the square root of that number instead of the absolute value. So let's go ahead and so I have just a number here. We just have a double and we're going to give it the value of 4. Could be any value though. And obviously because this is another math method within Java, you're going to want to import that. So make sure you do that before you do this, because depending on the compiler that you have, you might not be able to use that feature. Sorry. So anyways, let's go ahead and we'll do math.sqrt, and what we're going to look for is we're going to find the square root of y. Okay, so all this is going to do is take this number that I have here for the variable y, and again, you could make this a scanner, you know, and go ahead and ask for an input for a number if you wanted to use this as kind of like a thing for a math class or something like that. Or if you just want to kind of just put a number in here and then go ahead and do the calculation. So if we run this, this should give us 2. Okay, doesn't matter the number, right? We could do 16, you know, whatever number we have. And again, we could also do this for integers as well. It's really not a problem to do that, but in this case we're going to use double. Now if you happen to have, in the previous one we talked about absolute value, and let's say this is a negative 16 that we have, you can actually stack these methods together. So we're looking for the square root, but if I run this right now, it can't find the negative value of 16 as a square root, and we're going to get just an error, essentially a result. There's nothing there. You can't do that. So what you can do is we can stack these, and we can do math.absolute value, and then you just got to make sure that you have your parentheses lined up properly here. But now what's going to happen is it's going to find the absolute value of y. So that's going to become just 16.0, and then we're going to find the square root of that. So if you run this, it will come up with 4. So essentially what happens here, it does order of operations, and it's going to do this one first because it's the first thing within the parentheses, and then it will do the outer one next. So we'll find the absolute value, and then we'll find the square root. Really useful tools in programming, and Java has a host of math methods that you can use. These just happen to be a couple of them kind of more common. Alright, so hopefully that helps you. Good luck with your coding.